Hey, my name is Victor Medina, and I want to talk to you today about the Our Great Life Couples Workshop. You might be watching this because you're thinking about attending, and it's a program that I went to last year, and I wanted to share a little bit about what my experience is and why I think it's so great, and maybe it's something that you want to consider as well. So here's the thing. I've been an Atticus client for, I don't know, maybe 12 years or so, and I've spent a lot of time thinking about where I wanted my firm to go, where I wanted my practice to go, and a little bit about where I wanted my life to go. But that conversation was always something that I just did sort of by myself. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my wife and we're together and we're happy, but I never really thought about designing a life together. And the program was really effective because it gave us an opportunity and a context and a language even to kind of discuss where we were going to be in the course of the next 10 years. See, in my life, I'm going to end up having my kids move out at that point in time. My wife is likely to retire. And so our lives are going to look really, really different at the end of 10 years than they do today. And that time is surely going to come. So unless we do something that helps us work on being at a destination that is of our both choosing and something that we really like, there's less of a chance that we're really going to be aligned on what that looks like. And the program gave us the opportunity to do that. And it even did things that you wouldn't even expect. So being able to facilitate what a great vacation looked like, because the discussion between my wife and I is we realize, hey, there are different kinds of vacation. There are vacations that we do that are just for us. There are ones that we do with our kids. There are ones that are for her and that she likes. And there's the stuff that I don't like. She was surprised to learn that I don't feel very relaxed when we take a European trip because I'm so focused on getting to the next train in the museum or whatever else that sometimes I just need a vacation where I'm not asked to plan anything. And that was a great consequence from that, or great results from having gone through the workshop, because it highlighted that. And in fact, we took a trip to St. Kitts and we didn't do anything, and they just brought us nice little drinks and with umbrellas and all that kind of stuff. But the last component of it is that we were able to make connections with other couples, especially ones that are going through designing and running a law firm and having a significant other that is not involved in that, and having to be able to have those conversations. A lot of the language that we use in Atticus and we think about as founders that wants to grow our business is stuff that the spouses aren't something that they live with every day. And, not necessarily that they need to, but actually going through a program where we focus on those things first gives them an avenue to translate that and understand it from their vantage point, and then really empowers each of you to have a conversation that gets you a life by design rather than by accident. So if you're at all thinking about whether or not to attend, I can't endorse it enough. And not only was it a great experience coming all the way through, but we also found new friends, people that we vacation with that are similar and to us and we actually like, and that was a great result from that as well. You might have the same results. So register with confidence, think about it. And of course, if you have any questions, find me online and ask me. I'd be happy to answer all of them for you. Good luck.